the manufacturing business in Great Britain. Always considered Britain to be an industrial country which has got enormous potential possibilities. It's a very talented country, which is always proof for the Olympic Games. We were based in number 10 Queen Square under the arches in Templemead Station, and that became our first works. Ambient oxide works were also available, and we took those, and we took over what used to be the heavy machine shop of Charles Hill Shipyard, and that is what our main factory is today. One could put a gauge onto a 40-gallon drum, and so instead of kicking it to find out how much was in it, it would actually show you. So that was the beginning of the Seetru gauge. We found that gauge was all right, but there was a little valve on it, which was quite terrible. It leaked, and so I designed. I said, "Oh, well, this is hopeless." And so I designed a small valve, which was a small push valve with O-rings, and it sealed. And that was the beginning of our valve business. We had to make gauges, which we do to this day. We also, and out of the valve development of that gauge came our whole development of valves.
Seetru Limited's innovative product design and development department continually improved Seetru's range of safety valves and liquid level gauges. With over 60 years of manufacturing and design experience, Seetru has designed a trusted range of products that have been engineered in partnership with the customer's evolving requirements. Seetru's technical sales department work closely with the customers and design department to ensure that Seetru's products are able to compete and lead at the forefront of engineering within the customer's industry. Seetru's development department ensures the continual high standard of products being engineered through the design department by testing new products being developed. Seetru's experienced development technicians are able to manufacture parts for the new range of products being tested and test and develop customers' current products. Seetru's range of safety valves for steam applications can be tested using the steam testing facilities in Seetru's development department. The high-pressure safety valve liquid test facility in the development department can be used for testing safety valves for fluid applications and development of new products. The TUV accepted test facility, which is used to achieve 3D safety valve approval, can be used in conjunction with the patented Seetru CompuTest diagnostic system to provide a technical performance graph to assess the valve's performance cycle and flow rate characteristics. Seetru's trained technical sales department have vast experience and knowledge about the range of products that Seetru have to offer. They continually work with the customer and the design department to develop the product range to achieve the customer's requirements. The sales department are in daily communication with Seetru's distributors and customers across the world, selling our products into many markets and industries, building up a global reputation for quality, service and innovation, and representing British manufacturing on a global stage. Seetru's machine shop is operated by highly trained and experienced machine setting technicians who are able to program and set CNC machines to manufacture our wide range of quality products, from an extensive range of safety valve bodies and their many internal parts to liquid level gauge garden tubes of various lengths and window side glass bodies. Our computer-based resource of machine planning enables a consistent planning and tracking of the progress of the order to make sure that any potential problems can be overcome. Each product is designed, developed, sold, manufactured, inspected, marked, assembled and packaged in the same premises, ensuring a high quality Seetru British standard throughout the product cycle. Seetru's inspection process ensures that the highest level of quality is maintained throughout the machining process. Seetru has been awarded for this high standard, including ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System approval from Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance Limited. After the machining process is completed, the parts are put into stock ready to be picked, marked and assembled to form a completed safe valve or liquid level gauge. Seetru, through our expertise in the manufacturing field, has achieved a number of approvals that must be displayed on the finished product. These approvals, along with the information that identifies the product type and specification, are also marked primarily on the body. finished product markings enable our customers to identify quickly and easily the purchased product as fit for purpose. The assembly department combines the efforts from the previous processes into the final finished product, with trained and experienced assembly technicians ensuring that the finished assembled product reaches the high standards of Seetru. The progress and customer support system ensures that each batch is closely monitored to make sure the product is kept to the customer's required delivery date. By having the full production schedule monitored in the same location as the whole product cycle, it speeds up communication between each department so that any issues can be resolved as quickly as possible. As well as assembling the range of Seetru safety valves and auxiliary valves, the assembly department also assemble liquid level gauges, which range from the popular universal quick-mag gauge to the heated magnetic float CMAG gauges that have steam, electric or thermal oil trace heating installed into the gauge. The Seetru range of marine gauges for the shipbuilding and offshore industry meet the requirements of SOLAS and are also type approved by many worldwide shipping authorities. For the higher pressure range of Seetru safety valves, there are purpose-built test cabins which can test the valves in a safe environment to ensure the required set pressure is correct. To ensure seat tightness, the Kellogg bubble test can be carried out in these facilities. Every valve that is assembled is tested and adjusted to meet its required set pressure. So whether you have ordered 100 valves or hundreds of thousands of valves, you can be guaranteed that every valve has been handled with care. Seetru's own quick tester rigs is used to test and adjust lower pressure safety valves in the assembly process. Even after each valve has been hand assembled, a final quality inspection is made to ensure that every product reaches Seetru's high standard. Now the product has reached its final destination in the product cycle within Seetru. It has passed through all of the stages of manufacturing and assembly and is now ready to be dispatched to the customer. Having the whole production process in the same location enables constant updates between departments to ensure that the product is delivered to the customer on the required date. Our dispatch department uses a range of global couriers to ensure your products will be delivered to you wherever you are in the world.
Our watchword from the very beginning has been innovation, absolute innovation. Whatever we've touched, we've created our markets by innovating, by bringing out things which hadn't been done before, and that we do this to this day.